because I have 30, 32, 33 techniques which I should and definitely should discuss in this class, because these techniques are your bread and butter. So I want to discuss these techniques, in this class. So I'll try to see where if I can do it towards the end of the class, or I can dedicate one whole class towards the technique, or 2 or 3 classes. That depends how you guys are getting it. So I just want to do one technique with you so that you guys, you all understand what technique it is. That is a SWOT technique, which is SWOT analysis. S stand for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunity, T for threat. What are the advantages currently we have? Okay. What is the weakness we should be able to improve? What we need? Opportunity. What is the opportunity, right? Why we need it? In order to, run our business, we should have an opportunity, right? That means we should have a vision that this is what we need, and currently we are poorly performing against our competitors. We should do this in order to at least we should be able to, just 1 second, Vinita. We should be able to do this, that this is the opportunity, and that's how we should do it. Threat is basically what is going to stop us, or what is the obstacle our organization is facing, right? That is a threat. So when you will present this to, I present this to my leadership, my management, when I'm trying to convince them that we should invest in this project, or we should invest in this area, so that this is the strength which we already have, this is the weakness but we can improve on it, this is the opportunity which we will get, and this is the threat. So that is a SWOT analysis. Let me show you one example of it, and so that I want to explain a little bit about the SWOT analysis. That is images from Google. Basically, strength and opportunity, these 2 things are helpful, right? This is my strength, this is the opportunity. That's how we should drive it. Weakness and threat are harmful, which is on the right hand side. If you take an internal strength and weakness, these both are internal within my organization. Opportunity and threat, these both are external. We have to make sure this is, somehow we should be able to reduce threats and overcome and include more opportunity in our project, right? I want all of you to present, unmute yourself, because I just want to do one exercise to see if you guys got it. I'm just gonna do one. Let's do this. I want to show you one thing so that you can relate to what SWOT is.
Unmute my output now, or when we're called upon?
Go ahead. What was your question?
Oh, I heard you say unmute ourselves, but I'm gonna mute myself back. I should have probably put it in the chat. Are we unmuting ourselves now, or are we waiting until
No, please unmute you. All of you should unmute.